Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Open the Excel workbook containing the chart and the Word document where it will live. Once done, click exactly on the chart area in Excel. Make sure you don't include stray cells. Save the Excel file now because the link uses that file path. Doing this prevents broken links later. Next, copy the chart to the clipboard using Ctrl+C or right-click copy. You'll paste it into Word as a live link in the next step. In your Word document, position the insertion point precisely where the chart belongs. Then open the Paste Special dialog from Home Paste Special. Choose Paste Link and select Microsoft Excel Chart Object. That's the only way to create a dynamic link. Click OK, and Word embeds a linked object that reflects Excel data. Resize using the object handles. Make sure not to repaste as an image, because images won't update when the spreadsheet changes. Finish by saving both files, then test the link. Change values in Excel, save, and refresh Word. Sometimes pressing F9 or closing and reopening Word forces an update. If the chart does not update, check the source path because moving the Excel file breaks the link. In Word use file info, edit links to files or ribbon links to update, change source, or break the link. If needed, relink by repeating the paste special step after fixing the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.